Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone speaker volume if it is low. So guys, if the volume of your speaker, whether it is the front speaker or the other speaker is low, here I will show you how can you easily fix this. So guys, first of all, open up settings in your device and from here scroll it below and tap on accessibility, and from here scroll it below all the way and tap on audio visual. So guys, from here scroll it below and set the volume balance from here. So guys, if it is not in the center, you will have to turn this into the center or into zeros. So guys, after this, check if the volume is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing the volume problem, then you will have to clean the speaker, whether it is the front speaker or the other, with a brush. So guys, simply clean them with a brush and don't clean them hardly. Simply clean them with a soft brush, and after this check if the volume is increased or not. So guys, if you're still facing that low volume problem in your iPhone, you will have to go to any repairing shop to change the speaker of your iPhone. So guys, if the speaker that is in front side is giving low volume, then you will have to change it, and if the other speakers are in low volume, then you will have to change them too. So guys, this is the way to increase the volume in your iPhone if it is low. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.